From a health crisis, the pandemic turned very quickly into a much broader societal threat and an immense security threat for women and girls. Indeed, across the world and in Africa, there was widespread increase in the violence against women and girls to the extent of being called a shadow pandemic by UN Women.
We have to have a good representation of women in decision-making positions. They think differently.
So even before COVID-19, we had a long way to go. And then came the pandemic.
Youth have a lot to contribute in the implementation of the Women, Peace and Security agenda, as well as in the response and recovery from the pandemic.
So the role of women to establish peace is number one. And you cannot omit half of the society like we are doing now from the peace process anywhere.
We have to be strong, even though the context of pandemic is really making us work as peace builders difficult.
Young people are always the most frank, the most courageous, and we do think with fearless. And I think our future means a lot for us and also for the coming generations.
We want to be part of the peace process, and we are not going to be neglected or ignored after that.